Okay, you're welcome to the next class, the completion of our previous class. Now today like we said, we are doing, we're looking at approximation and percentage error. So we are solving more problems involving approximation of numbers. So what we have here, we have round of the following to the nearest one significant figure, two significant figure, and three significant figure. So the first value we have here is 83,196. Now remember, we said when approximating numbers to the nearest significant figures, you start from your right hand side. From your left hand side to the right hand side. From your left hand side to the right hand side. So we have here 8 as the first significant figure we are looking at. Now we look at the value close to it. 3. 3 is a round down number. Remember what we did in the previous class? 3 is a round down number. So the value we are rounding off remains the same and all other values becomes 0. So this is what we have gotten. Look at it, to one significant figure. Then the next one to two significant figures, we are looking at 3, and the value close to it is 1. So the value close to it is a round down number. So the value we are rounding off, which is placed, the arrow we have here represents the value we are rounding off. The value we are rounding off becomes the way it is, it remains the way it is, and the other values become 0. Look at it, this is the answer to it. Then to three significant figures, same, we apply same principle. The value close to it is 9. 9 is a round up number. 9 is a round up number. So for rounding up numbers, the value we are rounding up, we add 1 to it, and the other values becomes 0. So this is it. 9 a round up number. 1 is added to 1 here, and it becomes 2. Are we saying that? And it becomes 2. Now to the next value, we have 37.284. 37.284. So one significant figure, we are looking at 3. Rounding up 3, we look at the value close to it, 7. 7 is a round up number. So it becomes 1 added to 3, and then we have 40. You see the values after the decimal point, they are not significant. The zeros after the decimal point, they are not significant. So we have 40 as our answer. Now to two significant figures, we are looking at 7. 7. We're looking at 7. We look at the value close to it, 2. The value close to it is 2. 2 is a round down number. 2 is a rounded number. It means the value we are rounding off remains the same. Remains the same. We have 37 as our answer. Now we look at the next value. To three significant figures, we have 2. We look at the value close to it, 8. 8. 8 is a round up number. We add 1 to the value that we are rounding off, and then we have 37.3. 37.3. The fifth expression, we have 0.07384. We apply the same principle. Remember, we are counting as significant figures from the left-hand side down to the right-hand side. From the left-hand side down to the right-hand side. So we have 7. The value close to it is 3. 3 is a round down number. So 7 remains the way it is. So we have 0.07 as our answer to that. The next one, to two significant figures, we apply the same principle. We look at the value close to it, 8. 8 is a round up number. So we add 1 to 3, making it 4. We have 0.074 as an answer. Then to 3 significant figures, we have 8 here. We are looking at this value here, 8 by its position. Remember, 1 significant figure, 2 significant figure, and then we have 3 significant figure. The value close to it is 4. 4. We look at 4 is a round down number. So the value we are rounding off remains the same. And then the answer is 0.0738. We look at the next expression there. We have 0.005613. So 5 is the first value there. After the 0, remember we said these zeros are not significant. These zeros, they are not significant. So we have 5 as one significant figure, the position for one significant figure.